it, I won't bust it, now I pull out, yeah. Got 2 sticks inside the couch and it's a pull out. Yeah, I'm on my gang shit. Whole gang bang shit. Whole thing gang shit. In a Benz, I'm tryna lane switch.
Shit, no cat.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Exo, and today's just gonna be a little rainy day. It's 5:49 right now on a Wednesday. I'm saying it's raining. We in the fall. It's leaves everywhere. Just want to give y'all a little evening cruise. I'm saying nighttime coming up. I'm just giving y'all a little peaceful cruise. Hopefully y'all can hear the leaves and the wind, and hopefully it's just a vibe for y'all. But it's just a peaceful point of view drive. It's another Camaro right there. It's an LS though, or yeah, it's an RS. I'm going right. Little gray Camaro. I ain't gonna lie, it be so many times where I just be forgetting that my car is yellow. When I look at the hood, it's black. When I look at the mirrors, they black. So I really just be forgetting that my car is yellow. Be feeling like this bit black sometimes. But it's type hard though, I like that. But yeah. Let's play with the paddles for y'all. Yo, we just chilling. You know what I'm saying? It's raining outside, so I'm not gonna be going fast. I gotta get my tires switched anyways, or well, rotated. And then next year, right before summer hit, I'm gonna get some new tires. Just rotate these ones, because I ain't even gonna be driving this car at all once winter hit. So, yeah. About that out 12 right there. Well, I ain't 12 though. Hopefully y'all can see everything. We're going back on this same highway, y'all. Seeing what, that Audi look hard. But we're back on that same highway, but hopefully y'all coming for the drive and not to see where I'm actually going. So that shouldn't matter, but I'll definitely start changing up the scenery with the next point of view drives that I do. Hopefully that's not too loud. Hopefully it's not. Yeah, that might be too loud. Close the windows, close the sunroof. That might be too loud for y'all boys. But yeah. So one thing I won't do is drive fast in the rain, man. I'm sorry. If y'all was coming for a video of me going crazy. Oh, and I'm in sport mode. But if y'all was coming for a video to see me go crazy, and you know what I'm saying, this won't be it. This is just a little peaceful little point of view drive. This video not gonna be too long. What's going on? Oh man, traffic. Should get in there right lane. Oh no, that's the lane that's blocked off. Damn. Yeah, it's looking pretty dead. Oh man, like it's not going slow, but let me put my phone down. 12 probably up here. Oh, they seem like they friends and they just hit each other by accident. Look like it. But sheesh. Oh, brake checks. What's going on, man? That's probably why that accident was just caused. It's raining and wet out and people just hard braking. Alright, y'all. This may be the end of the video. If it continue to be like this, I'm gonna just end the video off. Cause I'm finna get some food and just chill. But if it clear up, I'll pick the camera back up. But if not, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want more videos, comment it down below. Turn on post notifications. Got a lot more POV drives coming. Yeah, I love y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure the notifications on. Love y'all. Yeah.
I slip my stick in the party. On the block with the gloss. If you play, you get out. We got so many stills out the army. Tryna run this shit up for the guys when they get out. They salad, they turn the farm. I ain't fucking with you, you ain't fucking with me. I ain't speaking on you, why you speaking on me? Lil' Savage, he just call my phone, he asked what I'm on. Lil' bro, what you charge for a fee? 550 want me on the beat. You the bro, then you get one for cheap. Since he want the beat box, we boxing the beat. Tryna give me some M's and move out the hood. But you know me, I'm going back. Got that jazz on the block, one the weed like it's crack. We spin the ball block and he ain't spinning back. Bustin', I'm on the block and I'm clutching. Spit through my hood to get ugly. Can't get it, you hit your buddy. Geeking and tripping on mad. Ain't no cocking and one in the head. If you run and get put in the bed, ain't no waking up, little bitch, you dead. I read, sipping on hot tea.